about ready. Checking in with the radio station, KWXX, are we ready? We're ready on the radio too, for everybody listening that's not here in the bowl. All right, here we go. Let's count it. We're going to start at 5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 4th of July!
stars to be living here today. Cause it's bright to stand for freedom, and they can't take that away.